You work hard, you stay up late, you follow all the hustle gurus, you try every side hustle that shows up in your feed, but you're still not ahead, still broke, still stuck. Why? Here's the hard truth nobody tells you. You're trapped. Not by laziness, not by lack of effort. You're trapped in what we call the hustle trap, and it's stealing your time, your energy, and your future. In surveys we conducted, so many people said the same thing. I feel like I'm doing everything, but nothing works. Sound familiar? That's because the hustle trap feels productive. You're busy, you're grinding, you're chasing income. But none of it builds, none of it compounds, none of it frees you. You're caught chasing scraps instead of building something real. Let's talk about how this shows up in your life. You jump from one side hustle to the next, always hoping this one will finally work. You're constantly watching new videos, buying new tools, trying to keep up. But you're tired. Your money is stretched thin. You feel like you're always working, but nothing changes. You scroll past success stories and wonder what you're doing wrong. Your confidence takes a hit. You start questioning yourself, and worst of all, you begin to accept this cycle, as if this is just how it is. But here's the scary part. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Another year goes by. You're still trying, still hoping, still broke. And that moment will hit. You'll look back and realize you wasted years grinding for pennies when you could have built real income with a plan that actually works. No more next time. No more maybe this one. Time's up. So let me ask you directly. Do you want to change this? Really think about that. Are you ready to stop chasing and start building? Are you willing to stop following hype and start following strategy? Because that's the only way out. This isn't about working harder. You've already done that. It's about stepping back and choosing a smarter path, one that actually leads to freedom, not just another short-lived hustle. That dies the moment you stop pushing. You deserve more than that. And if you've been stuck in the hustle trap, it's not your fault. In fact, based on real responses from our audience, many people said they never realized how much time they were wasting until they saw it clearly. And once they did, everything changed. There's hope. People are breaking free of the hustle trap every day, not by luck, not by getting in early, but by following a plan that works, a strategy built on truth, not trends. They stopped jumping from one shiny object to the next and started stacking small wins that actually compound over time. They stopped consuming advice from 100 voices and focused on one clear path. You can do the same. That's why we created the You Can series, to help you see what's really going on, to break the trap, and to finally move forward. Start with the free guide below. It's called 5 Hustles That Actually Work. Each one is chosen because it scales, it compounds, and it builds real income, not just quick cash. And if you're ready to move faster, we've put together a full upgrade for $19.99. With detailed walkthroughs, bonus resources, and real-world examples that work today. Because you don't need more hype, you need real help. Download the free guide below. And if you're ready to scale, grab the upgrade. Your time matters. Let's make it count.